Hello, contractors. I am Barb McGowan, and I'm here to help all you home services folks, thus people like in HVAC, roofing, solar insulation, and more, earn more while working less. So today I am walking you through exactly how I helped an insulation client in California to do just that. They were able to raise their prices from $4 to $6 per square foot, and they actually became more profitable while working fewer hours. So let me break it down for you. So number one, the first step is you need to know your numbers. You need to understand your pricing and profit margins. And if you don't, that's a big problem, right? You can't improve it. So you're using an accounting software, probably something like QuickBooks, to track your costs. I have this reverse job cost calculator template. So if you would like it and you want to start filling in your numbers so that you can know exactly how much profit you're making per job, just drop a comment and I will give it to you. So a healthy net profit for an insulation company is around 15%. And if you don't know what yours is, it's time to find out. But you need to understand your costs and your pricing and how they interrelate. So let's walk through an example. So we have this company, right? And they're charging $4 a square foot for a 1,500 square foot attic job. So after breaking down the costs, that's labor, materials, overhead, marketing, etc., they were actually losing money, $1,400 a job that size. Yes, losing money. So you're sending your guys out there to do this really tough work, in an attic or on a roof or wherever you guys are at. And it's hot, it's uncomfortable, it's dirty, whatever. And yes, then you actually lose money as a result, and that sucks. So what we did was we adjusted their pricing to $6 a square foot. So same cost, same overhead. But now they're at a 17.8% net profit, so right in that healthy range between 15 and 20. So yes, raising prices is going to mean fewer customers, but that's the point. You want to make more money while working less. And the first thing you need to do is be able to justify those higher prices. So how do you actually charge more and still get customers? Here is the roadmap that we use. The first step is you need to get more Google reviews. So 50% of the leads for this company now come in through organic search. So that's Google Business Profile and Google. So they're not paying for those leads. And the customers, they trust reviews. So it's important that you get more of them. How? Ask every single customer and then follow up with every single customer again and ask them for a review if they still haven't provided it. And just as a bonus tip, offer your guys a $20 incentive for every 5-star review they generate, and then stand back and watch the magic happen. When you put money behind it, you will be shocked at what your crews will do to get that bonus. The second thing is you need to optimize your online presence. So make sure you have a decent website. It doesn't need to be anything fancy, just clear and professional. Make sure you have your Google Business Profile, have it up to date, you have it claimed. Everything on there is accurate. For the love of God, have a professional email. So no more @gmail.com for your business. It makes you look unprofessional. It makes you look like a hobbyist instead of a professional business place that is there to serve customers. And answer your phone every single time. If you miss a call, that's a lost customer. Not only is it lost revenue for you, but if you paid money, like if you paid for an ad to acquire that customer, you're getting double dinged, right? So you're losing money on paying to acquire that customer and you're losing that revenue. And on top of that, to add insult to injury, now that customer is going to your competitor and the competitor is benefiting from the money you spent on the ad and getting that revenue. So that sucks. It is imperative to answer your phone every single time. And number 3, prove your value. Don't just leave it to, oh yeah, trust me, bro. Post before and after pictures on social media, on your website, get video testimonials from happy customers, and really position your service as a premium, not the cheapest option. When you're competing on price, not on value, it just ugly things happen. You're trying to undercut the next guy who's trying to undercut the next guy and so on and so forth, and you're just going to end up getting razor thin margins if you're profitable at all. The next step, you really need to understand the math behind working less and making more. So let's compare 2 pricing models for a company that's booking 100 appointments in a month, let's say. So at $4 per square foot with a 50% close rate, you're booking 50 jobs, you're earning $300,000 in revenue, but you're losing money. Now at $6 a square foot, you're gonna have a lower close rate. So let's say it's 35% because this is what we have seen in real life with my insulation client. But at 35% close rate, you're closing 35 jobs, and that leads to $315,000 in revenue with almost an 18% net profit. So yes, you're booking fewer jobs, but you're making more revenue and you're actually profiting. It's a win-win. So if you are undercharging, you're working too hard for too little. You might be working hard to be losing money. So follow this roadmap, follow these steps to charge more, get better customers, and actually get to enjoy your business. Maybe hire people, maybe invest in technology that's going to make your life even easier. And then it's just going to snowball from there in a good way. So once again, I'm Barb McGowan. I help home service businesses to work smarter and not harder with AI and automation. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, because I drop new videos every week that are going to help you to do just that, to work smarter and not harder, to make more and work less. If you want to get this template that I created, just drop a comment and I will send it to you. And I will see you in the next video.